edition here in Connecticut. So today is the snack attack version. Since we're all guilty of snacking about every 15 minutes or so, I thought I'd go ahead and bring to you arguably the world's best chocolate chip cookie recipe. Now you'll have to try it for yourself to verify, but in my opinion, there's nothing better. Okay, so by now you guys have been around long enough to know we have to start with the most important part. That's the cocktail. So this is called peanut butter in a cup, and this is just my take on a peanut butter cup. So we've got Screwball peanut butter whiskey, 1 ounce. It's gonna go right into my cup. And then I have an Imperial Stout by Aspetuck Brew Labs, and it's called Extra Slice. It's got a little chocolate, little vanilla. It's absolutely delicious. I mean, it's no SoPro Brewing Company or anything, but if you guys are in a pinch and you're up north and you can't get your SoPro, you gotta settle for something else, right? So here we go. Just pouring that right in. You don't even have to stir it up. How easy was that? Cheers. All right, let's get to the cookies. So we're gonna start with 2/3 of a cup of butter. It's always best to start at room temperature. Now I have this sitting out here. And then we're gonna have 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. I like crunchy because I like the texture. Now, if you have somebody in your house that has a peanut allergy, use shortening. So you would use 2/3 a cup of butter and 2/3 a cup of shortening instead of the peanut butter. Alrighty. Then into this, we're gonna put 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of regular sugar. And then 2 eggs. That little dude almost rolled off the counter. That would have been a mess to clean up. Alrighty, and then we're just gonna use a mixer to go ahead and just beat that. And I'll play some background music so you don't have to listen to my mixer, okay? Here we go. All right, once you've creamed all those ingredients together, we're gonna put the dry ingredients in, and that's gonna be 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. And we're just gonna dump all that in. Wanna make sure you don't overbeat these because you don't want tough cookies, okay? So we'll just beat this up a little bit, get the flour mixed in, and I'll be right back. Now y'all, this makes a very stiff dough, and that's exactly what you want because the cookies are not gonna be flat. They're gonna actually be pretty thick and they're gonna hold their shape. They're not gonna spread out on the cookie sheet. So that's what you want, is that very stiff dough. So we're gonna fold in the chocolate chips and then we'll be ready to pop them on the pre-greased cooking sheet. So stand by. Okay, we're back, here we go. Chocolate chips in the dough. And I'm not even gonna lie, I did not fold that in with a spoon. I folded it in with my hands because I just got tired of stirring it. So it's okay sometimes to get your hands dirty, right? I use an ice cream scoop because it's easier and you don't have to just keep folding the cookie dough out. Just 1 cookie scoop and it just does all the hard work for you. So I don't get a giant cookie. I do about half the scoop, pop it out. It makes a pretty nice and round cookie. And like I said, these dudes hold up their shape in the oven, so you don't have to worry about them spreading a whole lot. So I'm gonna keep popping these little babies out on the cookie sheet, and I'll show you the finished product in just a second. Alrighty, those are gonna cook on 375 for about 10 minutes. You gotta just watch them because every oven's different. So I'm gonna cook mine for about 10 minutes and check on them and make sure they're getting nice and brown and cooked. And then I'll show you the finished product in just a second. I'll be right back. Oh y'all, these are so delicious and golden brown. I'm about to take them off the pan, put them on a plate so I can bring them over there to you and make your mouth water. Check that out. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. And double yum. All right, y'all. That's it for the Snack Attack edition. So stay safe, stay well, and wash your damn hands.